Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to read Whalefall Canyon and log the Call of Whales memory journal in Heartopia. So today, Heartopia officially released the new Call of Whales fashion wave, and just like the previous leaks, we finally have the new underwater map that called Whalefall Canyon. And then getting there is super easy. After you log in today, you will automatically receive a quest from Atara. And then next, just simply track the quest and it will guide you to a portal near the whale sea. Once you arrive, just walk up to the portal and you will be teleported directly to Whalefall Canyon. Like this, just wait for a moment. And then after that, at the same time, you will also unlock the Call of Whales memory journal. You can just claim it from the Vision Wave catalog like this. And this journal will let you to collect memorable photos throughout the Call of Whales Vision Wave. So don't forget to claim it before you start exploring the new underwater area. And okay, that's how to unlock Whalefall Canyon and the memory journal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!